girl, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today in the lab I'm going to be doing a hair review. This is going to be on the Marley twist that I have now, Marley rope. Girl, all these twists are starting to look the same, but I'm going to show you, the brand that I use. This is not sponsored. Give this video a thumbs up for more hair review type videos, and let's jump on into about this hair. I have it up in a bun because I'm going to be doing, I'll probably do like the first 2 or 3 just so I can show you guys, but that's going to be a voiceover after I talk about the pros and the cons of this hair. So the hair that I use this time around for my Marley rope twist is the Bobbi Boss premium fiber braid, Jamaican braid, lightweight pre-stretched hair. It looks like that. And I have it in the shade 1B, or color 1B. So it is pre-stretched. Plus, like I said, I never knew that this came pre-stretched. What I typically would get is the, equal Jamaican braid like hair for Marley twists. And that hair you have to feather out the ends so that it can, lay properly and look like seamless at the ends. And you have to dip it in hot water so that it's not stiff. So when I saw that this is pre-stretched, honey, I did not have to put no boiling water on. So it didn't matter what time I started or finished my hair. I didn't have to have that extra 30 minutes, 45 minutes to section off and, dip in hot water, wait for it to dry off, dripping wet, none of that for this. So that's why this is a plus for me. Now, let's get into the cons of this. How many packs did I purchase? I purchased 5 packs, okay? 5 packs. These packs were $8.99 at my local beauty supply store. Now, granted, all those other brands that I've used in the past that you have to, feather out the ends to get that seamless end and to dip in hot water, those run about $4.99, sometimes $3.99 if the beauty supply store is having a sale if they give you a discount. That was not the deal for this. The sale for this was $8.99 a pack. So I thought I was getting more bang for my buck because it's 3 bundles in here. However, let me take the bundle out so I can show you how much hair actually comes on here. This is all you get on this bundle. This is all you get. So there is not a lot of hair. This is an illusion that there's going to be a lot of hair on here. And then when I got home, I opened up 1 pack because I initially only bought 3 packs. I initially only bought 3 packs. I went back and bought 2 more packs because I realized, oh, this is going to be super thin. There's only but so many strands on here. Now they are pre-sectioned off. However, because this hair is the way that it is, it can get tacked on to the other hair, as you can see as I'm pulling this apart. So you really got to take your time and make sure you're grabbing the section hair and pulling it because the hair is going to connect to the other hair. But I do like this hair. Would I use it again? Absolutely. Especially because it's pre-stretched and I don't have to dip it in hot water. Keep in mind that my hair is pretty old. This is old. I just do the front over and I leave the back the way it is. I just constantly oil my scalp, add moisturizer and conditioner to my scalp. If I have dry shampoo on hand, then I'll do the dry shampoo in the back and pull it in my hand in the front to put it in my scalp in the front. But typically I just wash the front and do the front over. But this is what my hair looks like with all of it down. So the ends are not, all over the place. It just gives a really beautiful like rope look. So in case someone wants to know how many twists I have in my hair, let's count them. So I have 35 twists in my hair, 35. And like I said, I really like how this is like perfectly roped throughout the hair. So that's why I would buy this hair again and again to do my twists. Don't mind the frizziness because like I said, I've had these in for over 3 weeks now. So I'm going to show you guys what I do in the front of my hair when I want to redo it over. So of course you want to section off your hair, and I'm going to do a voiceover from here.
So now you're just going to take your favorite products. I'm just using this Jane, I think it's Jane Solutions. I'll list it in the description box below. But it's just a spray oil, and I'm just going to put some of that on the hair. Also going to take this Shine and Jam This is not like extra strength or hold type of jam. It's just literally what it says. It just gives a shine and a smooth silkiness to the hair. But you can use any edge control that you want. I typically use my Carol's one or my Eco Styling Gel or something like that. But I'm about to take these out soon anyway, so I just use this shine and jam, and I just use that to smooth back the hair just to give it a little bit of freshness. I'm then gonna part it down the middle with my fingers, not using a comb. You don't have to be precise with this particular part. And then I'm gonna take the hair. So I remember I did use 5 strands of the pre-separated hair, so 5 strands out of each bundle per twist. So here is 5 strands already put together because, like I said, I'm reusing the hair that was already in there. So I'm just going to place the middle of the hair in between that section piece that I sectioned off. Taking my right hand, which would be your left, just to hold that hair and twist it in place. But I'm going to start on the left side. So left side, I'm twisting inward, 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 inward. And you want to twist that until you get it to the tightness that you want. And then just bring the other side of the hair over and twist it in a direction that you're going to be twisting the twist. So I hope you guys can see this, and I hope this makes sense. I ended up taking this out and redoing it over because I was pulling some additional hair that I didn't want to pull. So I'm going to actually show you guys this again. Putting the hair in the middle, twisting the left side to the tightness that I wanted, bringing the right side over the left side, and then twisting, twisting, twisting all the way down. And as you go down, your hair may be frizzy, so you want to add your jam, your holding gel, whatever it is you're going to be using, and twist downward. I'm just going to give that section some oil and, you know, flatten it down with my jam. This hair, I'm telling you, I had this in for so long, but I'm just going to go ahead and put my jam on the front and kind of like soup it the way that I want it to lay, and just go ahead and distribute that product throughout the entire piece of hair. And I'm being so extra right here because this is actually like an area on my hair that sometimes twists tend to slip out because it's so fragile and thin. But I'm going to take the hair. I split the hair in half already, my section that is, and then I'm just going to take the hair, already have the 5 strands together, place that in the center of the hair that we split in half, and twist one side. So I'm going to hold it down with my left finger as I'm showing you like the indication, and then I'm going to twist backwards for the right side, which is your left, twisting backwards really, really tight. That way I can just flip the front part under it. Like I said, this side is a little bit fragile, so I have to twist it in a different direction so that it can just lay and not pull going the other direction, because I want it to lay flat going to the right. I hope that makes sense. So because I want this to lay going downward, that's why I switched the twisting method from the right hand to the left hand. Oh, I probably just confused you, but I'm just twisting down. And you can play around with this to see how you want your twist to lay, whether you want them to lay to the left, to the right, to the back, or forward. I tend to lay my hair going the way that I'm going to be wearing the styles. I don't put my hair up as much. I typically just wear it half up, half down, or all down at once. But then you just twist all the way down. And I'm going to show you one more time. Just taking that jam and, you know, smoothing out that area so that it can look new again. Combing it through, kind of like doing a little swoop. It's not baby hairs. This is just a little swoop so it can lay down nicely. Taking the hair, splitting it in half with my finger. Taking the Bobbi Boss hair and placing that in the middle of that section. Holding one section down tight as I can and twisting the left side forward. Twist, twist, twist to get it as tight as I want it to be. And then bringing the front of the hair to the back and twisting it as well. Just so I can get it as tight as possible. Flipping it over to that side, twisting all the way down. Twist, twists, adding jam as I go so that it can be smooth throughout the twist, and just twisting all the way down. Super easy, like I said. It definitely takes practice, especially doing this invisible knot method. I know some people like to do a braid at the top, but I do not prefer that method for my like and my style. Here I'm just showing you how you can twist it, both pieces of hair, so that you can really get a rope look. But that's what's so awesome about this hair. You don't have to do that throughout your entire head, so you can just twist normally and it will just do the work for you basically. So yes, twisting all the way down, and the twist is basically done. No hot water, no nothing. It's already done. Very flawless. It's not stiff. And boom, you have your twist.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this hair tutorial and a little bit of a review on the hair that I use. Let me know down below if you tried this Bobbi Boss Jamaican braiding hair. Let me know your thoughts. Do you think that you can achieve this? Let me know if you tried this look before. Let me know in this technique and tip that I just shared. But yes, until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.